Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you the best items to flip on Offerup. Offerup is a popular online marketplace where people buy and sell used items, making it an excellent platform for resellers to make a really good profit. With the right approach, selling on Offerup may be a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. So I'm going to demonstrate how to pinpoint the best items to flip on Offerup, enhance your profits, and share insights on what contributes to the value of specific items, strategies for negotiating prices, and the optimal timing for buying and selling. First, you've got electronics, which is the best category in my opinion for flipping items on Offerup. You can quickly resell items like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles due to their high demand. Many people upgrade their devices frequently, so you can often find gently used electronics for much lower than their original retail price. Look for well-known brands like Apple, Samsung, and Microsoft, as these items tend to hold value. Ensure that the devices are in excellent working condition. When purchasing electronics, ask the seller if they have items which comes with its original accessories and packaging, as these can increase the resale value. Ensure that the device remains unlocked or unrestricted, as these hinder its resale value. Used furniture is another profitable item to flip. Pieces like dressers, coffee tables, couches, and chairs are frequently listed on Offerup, often because the seller is moving and needs to get rid of them quick. If you are willing to perform minor repairs, you can usually purchase furniture at a lower price. Solid wood furniture holds significant value due to its simple restoration and subsequent higher selling price. Look for items that are stylish or vintage, as these can appeal to a wide audience. Many people have a fondness for mid-century modern or rustic style furniture, so it is important to stay aware of these trends. A little cleaning, sanding, or painting can significantly increase the value of a piece. Tools and equipment, especially those used for construction, woodworking, or gardening, are excellent items as well to flip. Power tools like drills, saws, sanders can be costly when purchased new, leading many buyers to seek out deals on used versions. Because these items have long lifespans, a well-used tool in excellent working condition can still fetch a quality price. When buying tools to flip, it is essential to ensure that they are in proper working order. Test the equipment before purchasing, and if possible, ask the seller for any maintenance history or receipts. Buyers are more likely to retain the value or seek items from well-known brands like DeWalt, Makata, and Bosch. Bicycles and outdoor gear are also among the best items to flip. Bicycles in particular have a strong resale market, especially when they're in excellent condition. People are always looking for used bikes, whether they need them for commuting or leisure. Look for popular brands such as Trek, Giant, or Specialized, as these tend to have high resale values. Basic repairs can increase your profit margin. Outdoor equipment such as tents, camping gear, and fishing equipment also have good resale market. These items are often seasonal, so you can find excellent deals during the off-season and sell them for a higher price when demand rises. Home appliances, including microwaves, air conditioners, washing machines, and refrigerators, are also good items for flipping. Many people are willing to pay for used appliances as long as they are in impressive working condition. Appliances can be quite expensive when bought new, so buyers often look for deals on used models. Before purchasing any appliance to flip, ensure to test it thoroughly and ask the seller about any issues. Items that come with warranties